Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you and your friends can watch YouTube together on Discord. So I'm just going to go in a channel and make sure you have this activity spot. I have the tutorial on that in a separate video, like in the how to play games on Discord video, so go check that out. It's so simple. Just go and search activities Discord bot and put that in your server, and then join a voice channel. And after that, I'm going to open chat, and I'm just going to write /activity, the channel I'm in, so lobby, and choose watch together. Select enter and click to open watch together. Close this up, and as you can see, it opens YouTube. So here you can add videos to get the watch party started. You can search the video here or paste the YouTube link. I'm going to just paste it and select it. So I'm just going to press the plus button here, and it's going to play like the video like so. But you are not able to full screen, so that's it. That's basically how you can watch YouTube together with your friends on Discord. This is also powered by YouTube, so it's pretty cool. You can leave activity once you're done. That's basically it. Super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!